Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Theresa and I'm a professional organizer, and this is the Tidy with Theresa channel. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you, I got this. It's supposed to be, I believe it's a bamboo laundry hamper, and I got this sent to me by this company, and I hope I'm not butchering the name, but it's Yamaga Home. But anyway, I got this sent to me, so I'm going to do a quick review of it. I have no links right now to connect it to anything. I'm going to be sending it over to the company, and then they will go ahead and I guess maybe provide me with a link. But as soon as I get one, I will go ahead and put that in the description box as well. But I have never seen it, don't know what it looks like, so let's get into this because I'm very curious to see exactly what I have here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this with my trusty little opener here. Let's see what we have got. Okay, it's really cool. Get rid of this box here. And I will close up this for you, but what I see right now, it just says thanks. It's a storage basket, laundry basket with bamboo frame. Let me get this up here so you can see what I see. So this is what it looks like. Get that thank you card maybe to drop down. No. Anyway, let's go ahead and take this out of the packaging, and then I'll show you a close-up of this picture. All right. Without trying to cut any fabric, I'm being super careful. Get this out of the plastic. Let me show you what the cards say. So the first card is a, thanks for your purchase. And from the company, Yamaga Home, I believe that's correct. And then this one right here appears to be the dimensions. It's a storage laundry basket with a bamboo frame made of FSC certified bamboo. And it looks like it is a 16 by 13 by 17.7 inch. Or if you wanted, if you wanted the centimeters, there's that. But, and then it's like that again. So I guess since there's not any directions really to put it together, I'm just gonna take a guess. It doesn't look like it's that hard. It's like it pops. Okay, so here's my lid. Cute, okay. Now how do we make it sturdy? Oh, I see. So on the inside, it looks like, oh no, this is a tote bag. So it comes with a tote bag, a laundry tote bag. This would be so awesome. I have an RV. This would be so awesome for travel. Put your dirty clothes in here and then get them in here. Now my only question is, how do we get this thing to stand up? Otherwise, maybe it just stands up when it's full. Maybe I just, oh no, I found them. I found it. There is, I'm gonna show you this. I hope you can see this. There's like an X in the bottom of the bag. So I am assuming I'm pulling this up. Yes, okay, yes. That makes more sense. There are these little things, sorry, in the bottom of the bag that appear to Velcro, I see the Velcro now, onto the sides of this. I see now, okay. So you kind of have to stick it underneath where the wood is, sort of bend it a little bit. I'm gonna do this other side with my camera so you can see. Let me grab that. Okay, so if you look in here, you'll see, and pardon my shadow here, you'll see that these go under. Let me get this side because it's probably easier to see. And I'm doing this one-handed, so sorry. But we're gonna kind of get that under there, under that piece of wood, and Velcro it down. Ah, that makes so much more sense. Let me turn around and do the other side. And sorry for the shakiness. Again, hard to do one-handed. It's underneath that piece of wood, Velcroed in. Okay, that is freaking awesome. Yes, and then here's the lid. Let me get this down here on my floor so you can see what it looks like. So yes, that is very cool. And I love this little travel bag that comes with it. Okay, I gotta tell you right now, thumbs up so far. I haven't put any laundry in it, obviously, but that's pretty cool, and that I think would be awesome for travel. Okay, now that I have this figured out, okay, the little tote bag, great for travel. If you're like, if I'm in my RV or whatever, you're traveling somewhere, maybe kids in college or whatever, somewhere, apartment, you gotta take your clothes to the laundromat or something. This is awesome. You put your dirties in there or use it for something else. And then this, being collapsible, you know, you can put your stuff in here, and then if you need to take it down, you would just unhook the little Velcro and pop the little sides down once you figure out how to do it. Wish they would have had directions, but this thing's pretty freaking cool. Okay, I'm a fan. And again, like I said, since we have an RV, that's awesome. And then looks like it's pretty compact. You could probably even put it in here to travel with it if you needed to. Okay, yeah, that's very cool. As soon as I get the link, or I could get an affiliate link for my Amazon store, I will go ahead and send that over to you. Have no idea how much it costs. I wish I knew, but this is very, very cool. So I'm gonna be super excited when I get more information on it, but I will go ahead and link it as soon as I can. So thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like my channel or this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell if you want to see more. I actually have another couple storage videos coming up, so I hope you stay tuned for those, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!